Two kittens inside of a box. Where's the kitties? And I see a white and a black arm, which means, oh, Peaches is out first. You guys kind of got yourself in there. You're freaking out now, huh? Here, I'll help you out. Who's gonna jump out first? Oh, there's Peaches taking the lead there. Whoa, whoa. You're going a little, whoa! There's one of them. Come on, buddy, you can do it. You put yourself in there. Oh, close. Going crazy, and Peaches is having a whoop. There he is, yay! They made it. Alright, guys.